So just starting our object snap exercise again, we will go into line drawing. We'll start with our starting point of 3, 3. To line drawing 3, 3, and across the bottom we're going to go relative distance of 4 in the X and 0.25 in the Y. Then we'll go vertically up by 3. Now I'm going to start back at the base point again, back into line drawing. If I press the enter key it repeats the last command. If I press the enter key it stops the command. If I press the enter key it repeats the last command. So it's a shortcut. Up by 2.75, and then I can pick up that endpoint, snap to the endpoint. So there's the basis of the centers of my circles here. Let's draw the circles next. So we'll use the circle command. We're given diameters, so we'll pull that down and ask for center and diameter. Down the bottom we've got 1.5, center and diameter again. The next one is 2. Now if I press the enter key to repeat this command, it won't necessarily bring up diameter as my option. There's the start of it, but you can see that it's defaulted to radius, so that's okay. We can just use the radius to draw our circle. Press the enter key, center point, and a radius of 1. Okay, next we're going to draw some lines from quadrant point to quadrant point. The top ones should also be quadrant to quadrant. Now the next one is going to be tangent. Tangent to tangent. So I'll go back into line drawing, and as it's hovering it doesn't know what setting I want. So what we can do is press our shift right button, and that brings up this temporary menu, and we can force it to be tangent, and you can see the symbol there, the tangent symbol. You've got to give it a fair chance here. Click as close as you can to where you think that line is going to be, and it doesn't know exactly where it is until we draw the next line. We want tangent again up the top here. Now another way to force it to tangent is we can type in the first 3 letters, tan, and that will force it to do a tangent. Okay, same over this side. So line drawing, and I'm using the shortcut L for line. That's the quickest way. We want tan again. When you get used to using the keyboard, you'll find that that is the quickest way to work. Right hand on the mouse, left hand on the keyboard. So there's our outside lines now. I'll just drag this over. Look what we're going to do next. So we've done the outside, we're going to start drawing these inside lines from centers to tangents and so on. So back into line drawing, let's go from center, and it's picked up tangent straight away there. Center to tangent, center to tangent over here, center to tangent. Now we've got a midpoint here. See the little triangle? As we touch the midpoint, it's picking up midpoint, and it's come to tangent there. So it's pretty intuitive. This time it's picked up endpoint. That's okay. And we want to go to an intersection here. You can see the cross. It's picking up an intersection. We're getting close to be finishing here. From an intersection to a perpendicular this time. See the symbol for perpendicular. I think we might be nearly finished. So there's our finished Osnap drawing, which should look exactly like that.